Alright, today we're going to be replacing the Honda Accord 2021 Honda Accord LX 4-cylinder. The air filter we'll be using today is EAFO34, and the filter is right here, and it's held on by two latches that you have to pull back and then remove the cover. Alright, so you're going to pull these two latches back, and then you pop this cover up and out. And here is the air filter. As you can see, it's very dirty. I'm gonna put it in here, make sure it's in the right direction. This end right here, this triangle end is gonna be to the top right. You just pop it in. Make sure this tab is right here on the bottom right. It fits in this corner right here. And then you're gonna put it into the hole and back on. And push the latch back in, and that's how you change it.